Hello, and welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, slow, and easy to follow for English learners. It is a rainy afternoon at the library. Emma wants to find an old book that her mother loved many years ago. But the library is big, time is short, and something unexpected happens while she looks for the book. Don't worry. The English is simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Just relax and listen step by step. Here is today's listening question. What did Emma find inside the old library book? The answer is in the story. When you know the answer, try writing it in the comments. Writing in English helps you remember new words and understand the story better. Now, let's begin.
Oh no, it's raining again.
Yeah, the rain started so fast.
I almost forgot my umbrella.
Good thing you brought it.
The library feels nice today.
It does. I like rainy days at the library.
Me too. It feels calm here.
And quiet.
I only have 1 hour before class.
That's okay. We still have time.
I hope so. So, what book are you looking for? An old book.
An old book?
Yeah, my mother read it when she was younger.
Really? That sounds special.
She talked about it last week.
Do you know the title?
Yes, I wrote it down here.
Let me see.
Here.
The Long Road Home.
Yes.
That sounds like a sad book.
Maybe a little.
Why do you want to find it?
My mother looked really happy when she talked about it.
That's sweet.
I want to borrow it for her.
I think she will love that.
I hope we can find it today.
We will try.
This library is so big.
Don't worry. We can ask someone.
Yeah,
Maybe the book is upstairs.
maybe.
Or maybe near the old fiction section.
You come here a lot, right?
Almost every weekend.
I didn't know that.
I like reading near the windows.
Especially when it rains?
Exactly.
That sounds nice.
Sometimes I get coffee and stay for hours.
Honestly, I should come here more often.
You should. It's peaceful.
The library feels nice today.
Yeah, very warm and quiet.
Okay, let's go inside. Ready? Ready. Let's find your book.
Wow, it's really quiet in here.
Yeah, I like it.
Look at all these books.
There are so many.
I think the old books are over here.
Near the back?
Yeah, let's check.
Okay.
This section has travel books.
Oh, you're right.
Not this one.
Maybe the next shelf.
Wait, look at this book cover.
Cities of Europe.
I want to visit Italy someday,
Me too.
especially small towns near the sea.
That sounds beautiful.
Do you travel a lot?
Not really.
Same here.
Maybe one day.
Yeah, one day.
Oh, look. Fiction books.
Nice. Let's see.
There are so many old novels here.
I used to read this kind of book in high school.
Really?
Yeah, mostly mystery stories.
I liked adventure books.
Did you read a lot as a kid?
All the time.
Same.
My mother loves books too.
Maybe that's why you like libraries.
Maybe.
Do you remember when she talked about this book?
Last week.
What did she say?
She said she read it many times when she was young. That's cute. She smiled the whole time.
Then we really need to find it. Yeah.
I don't see it here. Me neither.
Maybe it's in another section.
I think so.
Let's check the signs. Okay.
History,
Science.
art. Maybe old fiction is upstairs?
Could be. Do you like reading here?
Yeah, it's very quiet.
I like the windows.
Me too, especially when it rains.
The rain sounds nice in here.
It does.
Oh, look at that reading area.
Those chairs look comfortable.
Maybe we can sit there later.
After we find the book. Right.
I think we should ask the librarian.
Yeah, good idea.
Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Excuse me?
Hi there. Can I help you?
Yes, please.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for this book.
Let me see.
Here.
The Long Road Home.
Yes.
That sounds familiar.
Really?
Yeah, I think many students borrowed it years ago.
Oh, wow.
Are you looking for it for class?
No, it's for my mother.
That's nice.
She loved this book when she was younger.
I see.
I want to borrow it for her.
Let me check the system.
Okay.
Good news.
You found it?
I think so.
Great.
It should be on the second floor.
Second floor.
Yes, near the history section.
Near the history section. Okay.
Shelf B12.
Sorry?
B12.
Oh, B12.
That's right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Where are the stairs?
Over there, next to the computers.
Oh, I see them now.
The second floor is quieter today.
Really?
Yeah, not many people are here because of the rain.
I like rainy days in libraries.
Me too.
It feels peaceful.
Exactly.
Do you work here every day?
Almost every day.
You must read a lot of books.
I try.
What kind of books do you like?
Old travel stories.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
I like books about small towns and trains.
My mother likes stories like that too.
Then she may really enjoy this book again.
I hope so.
I think you will find it upstairs.
Near the history section, right?
Right. Shelf B12.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
Okay, I'll go look for it now.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay, we're on the second floor now.
Yeah,
Let's find shelf B12.
I think it's over there.
Near those tall shelves?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check.
These books all look like history books.
Yeah. Old wars, famous kings, world maps. I don't think this is right.
Wait, what shelf number is this?
B21.
Oh no.
We're at the wrong shelf.
I knew something looked strange.
I think I made a mistake. It's okay. Sorry. Don't worry about it. Let's check again.
Yeah, slowly this time.
B8, B9.
Then B10.
Oh, here's B11.
Then B12 should be close.
Wait, I see it.
Nice.
These books look different.
More fiction books.
Yeah, this looks better.
Let's check the titles.
Winter Letters,
Not that one.
The Silent Lake.
Also not right. Maybe the book is checked out.
Maybe.
Oh, look at this old cookbook.
Wow, that book looks really old.
The cover is falling apart.
What's it about? Soup recipes, I think? You never cook soup.
Exactly.
You only make instant noodles.
Hey, that still counts as cooking.
Not really.
Wow, so mean.
Maybe I should learn someday.
I can teach you one easy dish.
Really?
Yeah, pasta is easy.
Okay, deal.
Wait a second.
What?
There's something inside this book.
Inside?
Yeah, a small piece of paper.
Oh, wow.
It looks like a handwritten note.
Really? What does it say?
To my favorite student, keep reading and keep dreaming.
That's actually really sweet.
I wonder who wrote it.
Maybe a teacher.
Or maybe a parent. This library feels full of old memories. Yeah, I like that feeling.
Me too. But I still don't see the book.
Yeah, me neither.
Maybe we should ask Mr. Ben again.
Good idea.
Let's go back downstairs.
Okay.
Oh, hi again.
Hi.
Did you find a book?
Not yet.
Really?
Yeah, we checked shelf B12.
That's strange.
We saw many fiction books there, but not this one.
Let me check again.
Okay,
Ah, I see the problem now.
what happened?
The book was moved last month.
Oh,
We changed some shelves after the repairs upstairs.
that makes sense.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
The book should be near the Windows section now.
Near the windows.
Yeah, shelf C3.
C3. Got it.
I can show you.
Really? Thank you.
No problem. Follow me.
Okay,
We moved many older books there because students like reading near the windows,
that sounds nice.
especially on rainy days.
Yeah, the library feels very peaceful today.
Here we are.
Oh, wow.
Shelf C3.
Wait, I see it.
You found it?
Yeah, The Long Road Home.
Great.
The cover looks so old.
It's been here for many years.
My mother is going to love this.
I'm glad.
Can I open it?
Of course. What is it?
There's something inside.
Really?
Another note.
Let me see.
It says, "Some stories stay with us forever."
That's beautiful.
Yeah,
Someone must have loved this book very much.
I think my mother did too.
Maybe this note was written many years ago.
It feels special somehow.
Books can carry a lot of memories.
That's true.
Would you like to borrow it today?
Yes, please.
Do you have your library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
How long can I keep the book?
2 weeks.
Okay.
You can also renew it online.
Oh, that's helpful.
All done.
Really?
Yep. The book is yours for 2 weeks.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
I'm really happy we found it.
Me too. Enjoy the book.
I will. Thanks again.
The rain is getting lighter now.
Yeah, it looks nice outside.
I like sitting near the windows here.
Me too.
So, we finally found the book.
We did.
That took longer than I expected.
Yeah, but it was fun.
Especially the wrong shelf part.
Hey, that was not my fault.
Maybe a little.
Wow, no support at all.
Okay, you did your best.
Thank you.
So, let's review the day. Okay. First, we came to the library in the rain.
Right?
Then we looked around the first floor.
And we talked about old books.
You also talked about your mother.
Yeah,
After that, you asked Mr. Ben for help.
he was really kind.
Yeah, very patient too.
Then we went upstairs.
And checked the wrong shelf. You really enjoy saying that part. Maybe a little. But then we found the handwritten note.
Oh, yeah.
Keep reading and keep dreaming. I really liked that line. Me too. The library feels full of little stories. That's true. Then we went back downstairs again. Mr. Ben checked the system again, and the book was near the windows the whole time. Exactly. Then we finally found it. The Long Road Home. Yup. Are you going to give it to your mother tonight? I think so. She's going to be so happy. I hope so. Especially when she sees the notes inside.
Yeah, those notes made the book feel special.
It almost feels like the book has its own history.
Exactly.
This was a good day.
Yeah, it really was.
Even with the rain? Especially because of the rain.
That sounds very dramatic.
I know. So, are you coming back next week? Honestly, I think I will. Good. I want to sit here and read someday. With coffee? Of course.
That sounds perfect.
Thanks for coming with me today.
Anytime.
I'm really glad we came here.
Me too.
Okay, I should go to class now. Right, don't be late. I'll try. See you later?
Yeah, see you later.
Bye, Emma.
Bye, Lily.
What a warm and peaceful day at the library. Emma finally found the old book for her mother, and she also found something special inside the book, a small handwritten note. Sometimes old books can hold beautiful memories. You did a great job listening today. Slow English takes time, and every story helps you understand a little more. Small steps are important. Keep going. Now, let's remember today's listening question. What did Emma find inside the old library book? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Even short comments can help you practice English, remember vocabulary, and feel more confident. And if this story helped you relax and learn English, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more calm and easy listening practice. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more warm and relaxing stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for spending time with us today. Take care, keep listening, and we'll see you again soon on English Listening Stories.